The Herture Aquarium Stand PG01YGZ offers a generously sized tabletop that fits most standard 20 to 29-gallon aquariums, including longer tanks, without feeling cramped in a living space. Its two-tier layout lets you place a main display tank on top and a smaller aquarium below, making it ideal for aquarists who want to save floor space while running multiple setups. The combination of a steel frame with a moisture-resistant engineered wood surface gives the stand a reassuringly solid feel that handles the weight of a filled tank without wobble. A built-in cabinet between the upper and lower shelves provides practical hidden storage for food, maintenance tools, and conditioners, so the area around the tank stays uncluttered. The neutral gray finish and clean lines help the stand blend easily with modern furniture, so it looks more like a piece of decor than basic aquarium hardware. Herture backs the stand with extended support, which adds confidence that any issues with materials or construction will be taken seriously.